What's up, everybody? Pardon my appearance. I've been working outside mostly, but working all day, so I'm a little rugged. But I've been working at Never Alone, actually, which is kind of what I'm going to talk about in this video. I've been working with Never Alone. I know the owner. He's a good friend of mine, and we're doing a lot of really good stuff right now. Obviously, with the coronavirus and all that going on, there's a lot of people that are struggling. There's always people in this area that are struggling, but now more than ever. So what we've done is once every weekend, mostly on the weekends, we're doing a drive-through food pantry. Now, they do have a food pantry that's open Monday through Friday that people can go to, but this is a drive-through that we do mostly in different church parking lots where we give out food boxes and meat and some other goodies. I brought the drone out to record the last one. We did it at His Hands Church in Woodstock. This is my first time flying the drone in a while, so it was kind of bad. Also, it was super windy. I mean, that drone was like in the air. So, but yeah, I put together some drone shots of it, and just if you guys want to watch through it and see how it turned out and what we do, I recommend you watch it. And if you're in the area, definitely hit up Never Alone and see where we're going to be this weekend, next weekend. We're going to be doing this for a while, and of course the food pantry itself. If you need food or need assistance, please reach out. We can definitely help you. But for this one, we had 6 different stations, and we had cars pull up. What we do is the cars pull up, we try and, not get too close to anybody. 6 feet, gotta keep 6 feet. But the cars will pull up, open their hatches, open the trunks, open the back doors, whatever. And we give them the food and then kind of send them on their way. So it's like a no contact deal. We're keeping safe and all that. So here's just like a video from the drone of what we do. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and leave a like and leave a comment if you want, and I'll catch you guys next time.